What?
This is the Sprite challenge. We are going to drink the Sprite and see if we can challenge the Sprite. I will go second. I'll go first. Sprite.
What are you doing?
I'm nervous. Wait.
The camera is shaking. Stop my hands.
Stop your hand up. Stop. Stop.
How the fuck do I stop this?
Sprite challenge, part 2.0. Come on.
Who the fuck is Mohammed Tasneem?
Oh, in Insta.
Huh?
He sent me also follow request.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know. And then I got a warning like don't.
I'm not gonna accept it.
Go, drink.
You buy it, so.
Yeah. I spat. Don't burp. Come inside.
My God, I will come inside.
Oh, you will burp now. I'm gonna burp it. Wait, Taniya, wait. Ooh.
You.
Quick, fuck.
I'm gonna go live, guys. I'm gonna go live and show you people.
Yeah.
Don't do it. I actually didn't.
Wait. Part 3.
What the fuck?
Music, Taniya.
It's just ringing now. You. No. Stop. Why are people laughing? People will accidentally think you're stupid. Mentally ill, guys.
My burp is not coming.
Not me.
It burns.
No, it's not coming from me.
So, this is Fatima, Rayan.
Oh, I didn't know. I'm in Taniya, guys. Birthday girl.
She is the girl of the birthday.
Yeah. And what are you doing?
Sprite!
Yeah.
Oh, hey!